Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix iPhone camera is blurry and not focusing and how we can fix it. So one of the reasons why this is happening is you might be in some indoor somewhere else with an AC or something, and when you go out, there is a temperature differences which is causing the foggy and all kind of things on the blurry. So if that is the reason, is also one of the reason, very important and vital reason. So if that is the case, what you need to do is you have to take your iPhone like this and just clean your iPhone over here using something with gentle, a microfiber cloth or something is enough. Just use it very gently. You have to clean the camera over here, then you have to check. For some users, what happens is, apart from the screen cover, they might be using the lens protector. Even the lens protector can cause same shift in issue while there is a change in the temperature. So make sure that you have to remove the lens protector, then use a microfiber or something and use it very gently. Make sure that you have to do it very slowly and clean your camera over here. Then you have to check, that might help as well. After trying with this and still if you're having the trouble with it, another one of the reason why this is happening is, like I said, you have to do a force restart. So to do a force restart, you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down and press and hold the power button over here unless and until you see the Apple logo. Make sure that you to do this in all instant of time. This should be very fast. Let me demonstrate you that. Press the volume up followed by volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button over here like this and keep pressing the power button. And you have to remove only the power button when you see the Apple logo. Right now it goes black, and just wait. When you see the Apple logo, you can just remove the finger from the power button, and this is actually going a restart. Sometimes, like I always used to say in all the video, sometimes a restart, like a force restart, is a lifesaver step. So you can try this out and just wait for the phone to get completely loaded up. Once you get into this, give your passcode and you have to check whether the camera is working fine with the focus and there is no issue with the blurry. But still, if you're having the trouble, just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. From here you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. From here go to the reset and just go for reset all settings. So what happens is, it won't delete any of your personal data. What it's going to do is, if you're having any customization, your lock screen, widgets and all those things will be gone. It will be changing to the default settings. It won't delete any of your data. So just do the reset all settings. After it is done, you have to check with it and most probably that's going to help. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.